Alright guys, so hopefully this works. But we are actually going to Factory of Terror today in Canton, Ohio. Now we're going to start in a little bit here. But my voice will sound different, I'll get into that later. But yeah, basically right now we're getting ready to go to Canton, Ohio for Factory of Terror and check that out. I know we're bringing back someone, but yeah, we'll see how it goes tonight. But I'll see you guys in a bit. Well, I saw on the thing it said Fall Fest Day, so probably every town is going to be like Fall Fest Day. Has their Fall Fest Day. The other day, me and Courtney were starting to look at Christmas stuff. We looked at Spirit Christmas, and well,
Spirit Christmas. I saw a video on it. Like, super expensive.
We don't know where one is at.
I think there's gonna be one in Erie.
Really?
I've been trying to organize everything in my life recently, but sometimes you just need outside help. Luckily, I know exactly where to go. It's Maria D'Antonio, and Closet Factory just redid our break room here at the radio station. Wow. You walk in and it's bright, efficient, beautiful. Everything you want to have peace of mind in your home. Closet Factory is family owned and operated, has more than 20 years of experience in the custom closet industry, and will work with you to find the exact design solution to clear your clutter. The choice is simple. Book your free design.
Oh yeah.
Today. Huntington is banking that just
Kramer, yeah.
Oh, Cranax.
Cranax.
Yeah, or the Christmas tree last year.
God, I can't believe you forgot about that.
I can't remember.
Like, I bought the Santa Claus Advent calendar there.
Make your October night even more bewitching with Gucci selections from fine
I feel like you don't need to go to Spirit Christmas because there's so many Christmas stores, and Kranex has that. Kranex has that like big Christmas tree and that whole display you go through.
I'm still going for it, even with higher stroke risk from atrial fibrillation.
What?
And a regular heartbeat not caused by a heart valve problem.
No, I said Kranex.
He said we don't need a Spirit Christmas.
Oh, you like Spirit Christmas, okay.
Heart stroke occurred in 2.9% of warfarin patients versus 2.3% of Eliquis patients. Don't stop taking prescription Eliquis without asking your doctor.
I mean, it's kind of... from the video that we'll be seeing, it kind of like... It's weird, because it's like... The Halloween had the Spirit Halloween, but... You have your main attraction, and then you have your Christmas stuff around it. So where are we going today?
Factory of Terror.
Yep, we're going to Factory of Terror. I don't know how much. We're picking up a friend of Courtney's. After that, then we're gonna head towards the actual factory. And you know what? You know what's in Canton? Pro Football Hall of Fame.
I thought that was in Akron.
No, that's in Canton.
Is it?
Yeah, Canton is in Akron.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not, bro.
It's part of Akron.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. I know it's part of Akron because we were just there. You know, like Raleigh, Durham. Canton does have like a city, but it's like pretty much right next to Akron.
Well, yeah, but it's not. It's 27 minutes from Akron.
It's like they call us Pittsburgh, even though we're in Beaver County. They call it the Pittsburgh area. Is it safe to say it's in the Akron area? Can I say it's in the Akron area?
No, because it's 27 minutes away from Akron.
It's 45 minutes from our house to Pittsburgh. We still call it Pittsburgh. I'm not gonna win this, am I? Whatever. Yeah, we're going to Factory Chair today. This is just a little bit before I get there, and we'll see you in a bit. So we are on our way to Factory Chair.
Yeah, I think you're right.
And you're pointing out the sunset.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. It was 100% better small. Because his dad had just said it, and then Talon repeated it. And Hunter was like, oh, shit. And then Talon's like, shit. And then Hunter's like, no. And then Sydney heard Talon say it again. And she looked at Hunter and she's like, this is not me.
So we are near Canton. You can barely hear you.
No, we didn't say anything. We just say you're on your phone.
I don't know, you can tell all your secrets now. So everyone will know. I just was catching the sunset. And then you guys talk about all the people you're gonna kill. I'm just kidding.
Look, see the color in the sky?
Yeah. And then you guys talk about all the people you're gonna kill. I'm just kidding. So we are on our
Look, see the color in the sky?
Yeah. And then you guys talk about all the people you're gonna kill. I'm just kidding. So we are on our
Look, see the color in the sky?
Yeah. And then you guys talk about all the people you're gonna kill. I'm just kidding. So we are on our
Look, see the color in the sky?
Yeah. And then you guys talk about all the people you're gonna kill.